Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to change video resolution or video quality on this device. Alright, so first of all we have to enter the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one, tap on the video. If you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, for sure you've applied the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Just tap on it, and as you can see we've got the video quality options. So let's tap. Here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Our device will also provide us the information about the ratio. So we've got 2 options with 16:9 and 30 frames per second, and one of them, so 480p, we've got the ratio 4:3. So depending on which option you'd like to use, just tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution, in chosen quality. However, I highly recommend to keep this option set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.